What is up, guys? Nerd of the North here, back again, and you know I brought the lovely, the one, the only, the myth, the legend, the queen of the frozen tundra. Oh.
You brought Elsa?
No.
What? Me? Oh, me! Nerdette of the North.
Yes, Nerdette of the North.
For a second there, I thought it was Elsa you brought.
Oh, it's my call for you, babe. Come on now.
Okay. It's me. It's not Elsa.
Oh, it's
yes, it's me.
So we are going to make keto peanut butter cookies. We tested these out the other day. What did you think?
They were peanut buttery, but good.
Of course they're peanut buttery. But what was it?
It wasn't as sweet as I was hoping. I've never really been a big fan of peanut butter. Shame on me, I know.
Yeah.
But yeah, they were good, but today I think we're going to change it up a little bit and add a little more sweetener to it.
Yeah, we're going to actually add some vanilla, and we're going to add some a little something to the top. You know, these cookies, the nice thing about them is, I mean, technically you should be able to eat 1 or 2 small cookies and be satisfied with these, because they're actually really filling. They're loaded with peanut butter, and yeah, they're just really good and really super easy. It's just a few ingredients. So tell them what we're going to put in.
Well, we're going to put in 1 cup of peanut butter.
I'm going to start with that right now.
Yeah, do that.
Yeah? 1 cup of peanut butter.
Then we're going to add to that 1/3 cup of powdered sugar.
Okay.
Which is over here.
Go ahead, go for it, and get it in there. We used, so this is no sugar or a sugar substitute, powdered sugar.
It's like Swerve in America.
Swerve?
Yes.
What's Swerve?
Swerve is sucrin.
Okay.
It's erythritol or something.
Okay, so this is it. This is the Norwegian version.
Yeah.
We're using that. And 1 egg.
Then, well, yeah, 1 egg. Here's 1 egg.
And we're gonna add a little bit of
Then
vanilla.
1/4 teaspoon of vanilla.
Okay, we'll do that. This we didn't have last time, so I think it's gonna make a difference.
Yeah, I hope so. Are you scared?
Yeah, I don't want to do too much. Oh,
it's okay.
I overdid it.
Oh, don't worry
I'm
about
scared of that swerve. Swerve?
Don't be scared.
Who calls it swerve?
Well, that's what it's called. I don't know.
Okay, so is that it?
That's it. Just stir it around.
All right.
And then when we're done stirring, I hope it's gonna be like a dough.
Are you kidding me?
Did you get something in it?
Oh
my God! What was that?
Are you kidding me? A fly just tried to fly in.
Oh my God!
All right. Well, you know what? It was so good that a fly tried to get it. He is dead now. Oh, die, fly, die. Sorry, fly. A fly was injured in the making of this.
Yeah,
but yeah, we are.
Sorry. Don't call RSPCA on us.
What's RSPCA?
I think it's animal rescue.
Seriously, a fly flew into it. But we're gonna be fine. People eat flies, you know.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Balls. We're rolling peanut butter balls.
Smashing balls.
Yeah, smashing balls. Why are you smashing my balls?
What are you trying to do? Be all tough?
Yeah. I'm trying to be all tough.
Yeah.
Come on now.
Look at these big balls.
Wait, look, why there and not like in line with the rest?
Because I can't reach.
Oh.
That's why.
Okay.
Basically.
1, 2. You know what? There's definitely
room for improvement.
Yeah, there's room for There's always room for improvement.
Yeah. I don't know how many.
Last time we made these, I actually ate some of the dough. I'm holding back because I actually gained weight today. So I'm gonna really try only to eat 1 or 2 of these cookies, maximum.
This is gonna be 14.
14. Yeah, see, yours were too small.
I
We wanted them bigger.
Okay then.
But if it's 10 balls, roughly, how much carbs is it gonna be per cookie?
1.6 grams per serving. So meaning per 2 cookies.
Okay, so every 2 cookies, it's gonna be about 1 or 2 grams, roughly. It's gonna be about 1 gram of carbs per cookie.
Well, we're gonna figure it out.
I just figured it out.
No, you didn't figure anything out.
Alright,
Okay.
Next step is to crisscross applesauce. So we're gonna, let's get this ready. We're gonna get some flour, we're gonna get some powdered sugar ready, and this time we're gonna crisscross them with powdered sugar and make it a little bit yummier than last time. Alright, Nerdette is getting her done. She's dipping a little bit of this sugar-free sugar. She's dipping the fork in it, and then crisscross applesauce in these bad boys. Crisscross.
Crisscross.
Applesauce.
It reminds me of something else.
What?
That band from the 80s.
Oh, you remember that band?
Yeah. I read that one of them were actually dead.
I didn't know that.
And the other one was celebrating his birthday last week or something. I think it was 47 or something.
No way he's older than me.
I think.
Those guys are younger than me.
Well, maybe it was 45.
Okay.
Maybe.
So yeah, we're getting there, guys. These are gonna be so good. And we're gonna crisscross applesauce with a little bit of sugar on each one. I say we sprinkle a little bit of sugar on the top of each one at the end. Yeah.
We should do that.
Alright. Alright, so we're gonna do that, and we're gonna pop these in the oven. How long were they gonna go in the oven? Do you remember?
For 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay. So 10 to 15 minutes on
350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for those who don't use Fahrenheit.
Right. Okay.
So, yeah.
Cookies are going in. Here we go, guys. I think they're ready. Ooh, whoa.
Ooh.
Cookies completed, guys. They look really good.
They do.
Shall we test one out? Alright, it's time to test one out. I'd also like to say, it feels really good to make a new video with Nerdette again. It has been a long time.
Yeah, it's been a while now. Huh?
Yeah, what was the last one we made? Keto, pizza, I don't know, but we were in our old apartment. We're in our new apartment now. Voila.
Mm-hmm.
Anyways, let's test these bad boys.
Let's do that.
A little sweeter than the last batch. Still not super sweet, but and they're still
sweeter.
They're a little warm, which I think is good. You don't like them warm?
Well, I think they're better when they're cooled more off because they get crunchier. But they're still good.
Yeah. I'm gonna eat 2. I don't give up. Flying F. Speaking of flies, oh my god. So guys, that was it. These are so good, and I'm probably gonna, I don't know. I shouldn't gain any weight. I mean, there's almost no carbs. Like one.
This recipe called for 10 cookies, and per 2, it's supposed to be 1.6 grams of carbs. But we got 14. So I figured it out. And what did I figure out? 0.5 per cookie when we made 14.
0.5 of a gram of carbohydrate and a cookie is damn good. Great, guys.
Good.
Did you eat one or two?
One.
I'm getting full off two. I'm not kidding, they fill you up.
I might just make myself a cup of coffee and have one more.
Ooh la, oh, that sounds perfect. But guys, thank you so much for checking out our newest video. Leave a comment in the description if, leave a comment in.
Not in the description,
No.
but in the comment section.
In the comment section if you think we should make more keto recipes. And guys, join me on my daily keto vlogs. I'm still going strong, still losing weight. Nerdette's not vlogging, but she's also losing weight again. So things are going good. And yeah, guys, Nerd of the North and
Nerdette.
peace out.
Peace.